Hey everyone, I've missed you all. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mimi and this is All Things Igbo with Mimi. All Things Igbo with Mimi. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. I hope you're going to be enjoying this channel because it's a fun channel. I bring you all back to back of everything concerning the Igbo culture. So today we'll be doing something different, as always, something different. Today we'll be learning some parts of the body in Igbo language. It's the famous song you all know, the head, shoulders, knees and toe, but it's not gonna be in English, it's gonna be in the Igbo language. So I hope you're gonna learn a lot from this video. I hope you're also gonna learn how to pronounce some of the body parts in Igbo and become a pro. Yes, so trust me, it's a very funny video filled with surprises and I know you can't wait. So like I always say, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification so that when I post a video you will be aware of it, and go to my comment section, ask me any questions, I'm gonna answer you. So I hope you're gonna have fun watching this video. Okay guys, this is where I sign out. Bye.
Isi ubaka, ik berenang pisuku.